Hello बच्चों, let's read this question. In this question, we need to find the coefficient of x raised to 7 in 1 minus x plus 2x cube whole raised to 10. So here, the key concept to solve this question is multinomial थ्योरम। यहाँ पे हमें जो पोलिनोमियल दिया गया है वो है 1 माइनस एक्स प्लस 2x क्यूब होल रेज टू 10। नाउ यहाँ पे जो टर्म्स है वो दो से ज्यादा टर्म्स है, सो हम मल्टीनोमियल थ्योरम अप्लाई करेंगे। सो अकॉर्डिंग टू द मल्टीनोमियल थ्योरम वी कैन राइट x plus y plus z whole raised to n that can be represented as that is equals to the summation of n factorial divided by p1 factorial, p2 factorial, p3 factorial multiplied with x raised to p1, y raised to p2, z raised to p3 and p1 plus p2 plus p3 that is equals to n. So यहाँ पे भी हमारे पास तीन टर्म्स है। यहाँ पे x इज इक्वल्स टू 1 होगा, y इज इक्वल्स टू माइनस एक्स एंड z इज इक्वल्स टू 2x क्यूब एंड हियर n इज इक्वल्स टू 10। सो वी कैन राइट हियर 1 minus x plus 2x cube whole raised to 10 that is equals to the summation of 10 factorial divided by p1 factorial, p2 factorial, p3 factorial multiplied with 1 raised to p1 minus x raised to p2, 2x cube raised to p3 and here p1 plus p2 plus p3 is equals to n that is 10. Now simplify the summation. So therefore summation of 10 factorial divided by p1 factorial, p2 factorial, p3 factorial multiplied by 1 raised to p1 minus 1 raised to p2 x raised to p3 multiplied by 2 raised to p3 multiplied by x raised to 3 p3. So that is equals to summation of 10 factorial divided by p1 factorial, p2 factorial, p3 factorial multiplied with minus 1. Here 1 raised to p1 that is always 1. So therefore minus 1 raised to p2 multiplied by 2 raised to p3 multiplied by x raised to p2 plus 3p3. Now here we need to find the coefficient of x raised to 7. So here we need to equate the power of x that is p2 plus 3p3 is equals to 7. Now हमें यहाँ पे p1, p2 और p3 की possible values find करनी है. So for that suppose here it is p1, p2 and here it is p3 and we have given 2p2 plus 3p3 is equals to 7 and p1 plus p2 plus p3 is equals to 10. So अगर हम p3 की वैल्यू मैक्सिमम वैल्यू सोचे तो p3 की वैल्यू अगर हम 3 लेते हैं तो 3 3 9 तो p2 क्या हो जाएगा नेगेटिव। सो वो हम p2 की वैल्यू नेगेटिव नहीं ले सकते। सो देयरफॉर वी विल टेक p3 इज इक्वल्स टू 2। सो अगर हम p3 की वैल्यू 2 लेंगे तो p2 की वैल्यू क्या आएगी इक्वेशन 1 के हिसाब से 1 एंड इक्वेशन 2 के हिसाब से p1 की वैल्यू क्या आएगी 7। अगर हम p3 की वैल्यू 1 लेते हैं तो p2 की वैल्यू इक्वेशन 1 के हिसाब से क्या आएगी 4 एंड इक्वेशन 2 के हिसाब से p1 की वैल्यू क्या आएगी 5। नाउ अगर हम p3 इज इक्वल्स टू 0 लेते हैं तो p2 की वैल्यू 7 आएगी एंड p1 की वैल्यू आएगी 3। तो ये तीन हमारे पॉसिबल वैल्यूज बन गए। सो अब हमें कोएफिशिएंट फाइंड करना है, तो हमें P1, P2 और P3 की ये तीनों की तीन वैल्यू हमें पुट करनी पड़ेगी. So therefore we can write that is equals to 10 factorial divided by first, that is 7 factorial multiplied by 1 factorial multiplied by 2 factorial multiplied with minus 1 raised to 1 multiplied with 2 raised to 2 plus 10 factorial divided by 5 factorial multiplied by 4 factorial multiplied by 1 factorial multiplied by minus 1 raised to 4 multiplied by 2 raised to 1 plus 10 factorial divided by 3 factorial multiplied by 7 factorial multiplied by 0 factorial multiplied by minus 1 raised to 7 multiplied by 2 raised to 0. So, अगर हम इसको सिंप्लीफाई करते हैं, so that is equals to, we will get minus 10 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 7 factorial divided by 7 factorial multiplied by 2, and here it will be multiplied by 4. Now plus 10 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 5 factorial divided by 5 factorial multiplied by 4, 3, 2 multiplied by 1, and that will be multiplied with 2 only, plus for the third term, this one is our third term, so therefore we can write 10 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 7 factorial divided by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 7 factorial multiplied by 1. So, after the simplification, we will get minus 1440 plus 2520 minus 120. So, that is equals to, we will get 960. So, therefore, this will be our required answer. So, the final answer will be 960. This will be our required option A. Hope you understood it well. Thank you.